I actually think the movement of healthcare executives from one organization to another actually provides a broader perspective. So I think it's bringing in new ideas. It's looking at things with a different lens, and sharing best practices from one facility to another. I do think, although there have been leaders and great leaders who have worked in one organization for their entire career and left a phenomenal impact, I think because of the challenges today, it actually offers us a unique opportunity as leaders are moving from organization to organization, market to market, to see, well, what worked in this market? Would it work in this market? It may not, but it gives us more questions to ask ourselves. I do think driving change, it does take a catalyst. Oftentimes, new leaders coming in are a catalyst to start change. But you're absolutely right. As we talked about earlier, we still need to do that methodical due diligence, right? Of making sure we know, well, what problem are we going to solve for? Why are we solving it? Why is it important to solve it? And then how are we going to do it to engage everybody in the process to improve it? So I do think leaders moving from one organization, they can be a catalyst, they can establish out what are we trying to do, why are we doing it, what does good look like, and those outcomes that we need to achieve. I do see a lot of 0 to 5 year movement, more so than even the 0 to 2. And I actually have a belief that that's healthy, both for the leaders because they learn more, their knowledge base is broader, their expertise becomes broader. And I think it's good for the organization because it does transplant some strategies from other markets and other areas. I think the most important thing, though, in healthcare are these relationships because we are a human business where we serve human beings, we work with hundreds and thousands of human beings. We still have to remember that taking the time to build the relationships is very important. People do things for people they like, people do things for people they respect and understand what we're trying to accomplish. And so with the turnover, that does create a little relationship chaos until the new leader comes in and reveals themselves and establishes themselves and gets on that journey. But I think like anything, there's silver linings to some of the leadership turnover, that's for sure.